Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video, we will continue where we left for the 10 user experience updates to the Azure portal. This is part 2. Let me just browse the official documentation and log on to the portal to take it from there. This was the part that we were on in the last video where we left. It says the new overview category represents a list of 15 of Azure most popular services created Microsoft Learn training content and access to the key functionality. So if I log on to the portal from here, I'm just telling you that I'm also planning to make a course on Office 365. So it'll take some time, but I will make a course on Office 365 as well. So this is the most frequently used 15 services. If you will click on it, you will see the virtual machines, app service, storage accounts, SQL databases, Azure databases for the PostgreSQL, Cosmos, Kubernetes, Function app, congenitive services, security center, and I'll make a separate course on security center as well. So these are the courses which are in the pipeline and I will make them. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so you get a notification as soon as I upload a new video. And within the portal they have integrated the learning facility as well, core cloud services, architecture and the service guarantees. So if you will open up in the new window, and they have also provided and improved the instance browsing experience. The resource instances browsing experience, going through the list of instances and service, is one of the most common entry point for customers using the portal. They have introduced an updated experience that leverages the power of Azure Resource Graph to provide improved performance, better filtering, and sorting options. So if you will go inside the portal, let's say you have click on all the resources that you have. This is the category, so you will go on the home screen. These are your old resources, and they have mentioned the name, type, and the last viewed. They have also provided the navigation within the home screen to have the navigation through subscriptions, your resource groups, all resources, dashboard, and they have made a separate category under tools wherein they have Microsoft Learn Azure with free online training from Microsoft, Azure Monitor, and so on and so forth. And what they have introduced as well is improved Azure Resource Graph experience. The Azure Resource Graph Explorer available in the portal enables you to write the queries and create dashboard using the full power of Azure Resource Graph. So Resource Graph is the topic that I would cover in detail in a separate video. This is just a glimpse of what Azure Resource Graph can do. So if you would see here, Explorer, you can mention the queries here, containers, resources, your security resources. So this requires a separate video on the resource graph topic itself. But you get the idea how the how to what resource graphs can enable you to write queries and create dashboards using the full power of Azure Resource Graph. Automatic refresh in Azure Dashboard. We have added automatic refresh to the Azure dashboards along to automatically refresh the dashboard over several time intervals. So if this is your dashboard, if you go onto the home screen, and if you want to create a dashboard here, so you can create your dashboard here and you can select the auto refresh after every 30 minutes, every hour, or every day. This is my number 3, so this is my dashboard. You can delete the dashboard, you can have the watch or not. That is deleted. You come here, you click on my dashboard, you can delete it. Deleting a dashboard would not delete your resources. It would only delete that dashboard. I don't want to keep any dashboard as of now. I'll create a new one. You can also clone a dashboard. You can enable the full screen on the dashboard like you're watching a video. You can escape, exit. Here it goes. You can share your dashboard. Wow, this is a new thing. You can edit, you can download the dashboard, you can upload a new file. whatever you want to do. You want to save a background picture and whatnot. I want to delete this dashboard. So I do not have any dashboard as of now. I'm go to the home screen. And then you can improve service icons. They have updated all the service icons in the Azure portal with a more consistent and modern look. All the icons have been designed together as a family to provide better visual consistency and reduce distractions. They have simplified the settings panel. The settings panel has been simplified. The main reason for this change is that many customers could not find the language and region settings in the previous design and were asking for the capabilities that were already available in the portal. The new design separates the general and the language and region settings. So if you would go here, click on settings, language and region, English, United States, you can change it as you want. You can go to general, sign me out, never. You can set the sign out interval as per the options available in the portal. Choose your default view. You can set it to your dashboard. Choose your default mode for the portal menu, fly out or talk. This choose a theme. You can choose a theme here as well. High contrast theme, enable pop-up notifications. All the options can be changed. Moving on. New landing page for Azure mobile application. The Azure mobile app enables to stay connected, informed, and in control. They have added a brand new landing screen to the Azure mobile app that brings all important information together as soon as you open the application. So if you would, let's say, create a resource, and if you want mobile app, create. This is the new thing, and I am sorry, that was not the mobile app. If you download the Azure mobile app on your iPhone or your Android, you can manage your portal from the mobile app as well. And this is the new features that they have added. Services, written resources, latest alerts, service health, resource group, and favorites would be on your landing screen. The home view is fully customizable. You can decide what sections to show and which order to show them. So this is where you can set up your feedback, all going through this blog once again. So I hope this was a good session for all of you guys. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon. If you have any comments, any feedback, please mention them in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye-bye.